Does the audio go out of sync on our Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max? The lips don't match the sound while streaming movies and shows like Netflix or Prime Video, and it causes an audio delay? Here's how to fix this lip sync issue in a few quick steps. So first, let's force restart your Fire TV Stick to clear any temporary glitches. So grab your remote, press and hold the play, pause, and the select button together like this until the device turns off and then turns back on again. This will reboot the whole system. Next, what I can do is just go to the hamburger menu, open Settings, and from there navigate yourself to Display and Sounds, then Audio, and here choose AV Sync Tuning. Now, you gotta use your left and right navigation buttons on a remote to adjust the slider until the video and audio are perfectly in sync. Once done, just select Apply. And also make sure you're using a fast and stable internet connection. You can go to Settings, from there to Network, highlight your connected network, press on the menu button on your remote, and then press over the Select button to forget the network, and then just go ahead and reconnect to the same network once again. Now finally, let's go back to Settings again. Now you're gonna open Applications, then we're gonna open Manage Install Apps. Just go ahead and select the app that's causing the issue, and from here you can clear its cache and data if needed. And all this process we've shown you will fix the lip sync issue and get everything working smoothly once again. Thanks for being with Fix 69.